everyone, my name is Mark Mormons and I'm the Senior Vice President of Entrepreneurship and Venture Development at the Arizona Commerce Authority. In my role, I get to support founders and entrepreneurs in the tech and startup space to help develop the innovation ecosystem across the state.
So today was kind of the culmination of the Venture Ready Accelerator. And today what we did was pitch a 10-minute presentation to demonstrate where we've come in the process.
Today I'm really excited to come to this event. It's the ACA's graduation event for the 10 startup companies in the program this year. We actually, through this program, we got the resources we needed and we convinced a lead investor to lead our Series A round.
The Venture Ready program was a really great way to strengthen our business. We actually, over these past 9 months, have completely changed our business model, and it's just been, this whole program has been absolutely instrumental in helping us actually get our products out there.
Arizona is for innovators, and here in the state we're proud to call home the startups of the future, from lithium-ion battery companies to SaaS software platforms and medical devices. It's all happening here, and the ACA has a role in fostering the growth of those companies and helping them find success, commercialization, and investment from across the state.